Hey there, you all beautiful people. I hope you're doing absolutely fine. Our today video is on a review session. If you are thinking of doing IELTS, which is International English Language Testing System, it's an exam which is organized by two major organizations. One is British Council and the other one is ITP. Its sole purpose of this exam is to test your English, whether you are good at English or you are no good at English. Like me, I'm no good at English, but I'm trying to learn English, and I bring for you a beautiful book on improving the English so that you can crack exam without taking any coaching, go to any institution. If you are running lack of money, if you're running out of money, then I have something incredible book for you. I'm recommending this book to you because I've been going through this book. This book is of one of my friend who is thinking about doing IELTS. So I have something for you. But first of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button only if you like this video, okay? And if you find this video informative, only then. No foundation on this. So let's get to the point. I got two books for you. One is this and the other one is this. Okay? First, I'm just showing this book to you. This book is written by the author of this book is Parthesh Thakkar. This book is on writing skills. It will improve your writing skill. What the paragraph, what the letter, whether it is formal or informal, what the trend is based upon. You can get better at if you go for this book, okay? The other one is this. Like we used to study when we all are in class 10 or class 12. What we do, we buy a practice set and check what format is there in the exam. Same as this book is of Cambridge English, in which this book is provided with practice set that usually IELTS exam ask in their exam, okay? So this is a practice set, Cambridge English. It's a practice set in which all the question papers are arranged of previous year that usually asked. This book is very much helpful for you. I'm recommending this because if you don't know about the pattern, then maybe you find difficulty in appearing in the exam if you are not going on institutes or coaching center for this purpose. So I recommend this book. I went through this book. I did not read the whole book yet because these two books are not mine. These two books are of one of my colleague, and I borrowed this book from her just for 1 week. I went through this book and I find this book useful. That's why I'm conveying this message that if you are thinking about doing IELTS, then you should prefer this book. What this book consists of is that it will tell you how the question paper will be arranged when you appear in the exam, okay? It will definitely improve. It will not improve your English, but it will give you an idea what situation will you face when you appear in the examination center, right? So sorry, there was a technical error. I got phone calls while I was shooting this video, right? So what I was telling you that whenever you will have a rough idea what will you gonna face in the examination center when you sit on examination desk and appear for the exam. I'm again warning you that this book is not for those who are thinking to improve their English. This book is just for, if you can take it as a practice set. What will be the pattern? How you'll what situation you're gonna face when you sit in the examination center. All right. So it will basically work on your listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills. In the end, see, you are provided with a CD player in which this is audio cassette. It is based upon 16. It has 16 tracks, and each consists of 1, 2, 3, 4. Each has audio clip. Okay. On the basis of this audio clip, you will answer the questions. Like you will provide it with a headphone. You will put on the headphone and read the question paper. And in the headphone you will listen the conversation between two persons. Okay, they are conversating with each other, and in their conversation you will find the answer. You have to listen carefully. If you have good listening skills, only then you will able to answer the question which will you face in the examination hall, right? So yeah, this is, and the question is provided, the question will be provided in this book, okay? And you are asked, you are supposed to go through this CD player, listen this CD player, and only then you will be able to answer the given question, okay? So do buy this book if you are thinking about doing IELTS exam. If you are have a rough idea about that, I will do IELTS, so you better go with this. And this is, I'm again telling you, this is just a practice set, not a real one, okay? If you wanna come up with something real, then you should go for this. This book is written by what is name, Parthesh Thakkar, and I went through this book, and this book is really awesome, incredibly good. Why I'm saying this? Because see, this is based on writing skill. It will improve your writing skills. It will tell you how can you write an essay, how can you write a letter, how can you write your views on trends, pie chart, okay, Venn diagram, bar diagram, etc. Not not in a layman language, but a professional. It will help you to use the words, connectors, cohesive writing. What is cohesive writing? The writing which is well organized in a sequence, okay? So that it come up with something professional. You can write essay, I can write essay, everyone can write essay, but the professional touch, you will get a professional touch only when you went through this book. It will tell you when to use however. For instance, like the word conjunction, it will help you to improve your conjunction skills that connects the sentence in a well organized manner. This book, what is the specialty of this book? In the beginning, it will help you, the content provided in this, it will help you to, it will provide you 7 steps to improve, which help you in improvement course in IELTS writing, structure of high band scores. How can you get high band scores? It is equipped with 50 plus letter for general training task, 50 graph for academic task, 200 plus essay for IELTS and TOEFL. Maybe this is also an organization, I don't know much about it, to be very honest. And see, it is well organized, and sorry, you can see, I will tell you. Process of assessment by IELTS. It will tell you what process the IELTS or the officers there in the IELTS go through. They go through 7 steps. They obey 9 steps. They will professionalize you in that 9 steps, so that you will not face any problem. You will not face any hurdle in cracking the IELTS exam with flying colors. When I say flying colors, that means 7 bands, 8 bands, or 9 bands. It is also provided with things to remember. The main thing that I like the most in this is that it will train you in writing paragraph, because it has only it mostly has similar pattern, okay, that you can set in your mind while you writing. When you prepare for that, when you appear in the exam, you will be able to do as good as you can. It will get best out of you. So this is for writing, and that is the other one. This one, oh, sorry, I dropped this CD. This is for audio. This is the audio clip. Okay, so listen this, and on the basis of this, you can work with this. This is for practice set, yeah, and this is CD player for audio clip. I'm again telling you I'm no good at English, but I'm trying my best. Yeah, practice set. It consists, I guess, 13 general training. Okay, so 13 practice set, not a book that improve your English. It is just a practice set. This is for improving your writing skills, and you must be thinking about what about reading skills and what about speaking, listening skills. Listening skills you can improve by watching web series. No web series. By watching serials in English like Modern Family, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and Friends, and many more. You better know about that, right? And listening skills, if you do listen, you will get to know about new words. Your English skills, English listening skill will improve definitely. And speaking skills, there is only one way to improve the speaking skills, which is speak as much as you can with your friend, with your family, with your colleague, with stranger, everyone. Whenever you get a chance to speak English, then try to speak English. I know it is quite weird to speak with friends, because they make fun of you. Maybe this is weird for you, because we all prefer to speak in native language with mother tongue, which is Punjabi, English, Hindi, whatever it is, right? Yeah. So, but you have to do that. Speak as much as you can. And your reading is not much difficult for you if you studied with English medium school. Okay. If you study in Hindi medium school, then don't worry. Work on that. You'll definitely get 7 band, 8 band if you work on that. If you have dreams, if aspires to go abroad and work there. So this is all about IELTS. If you have any query about that, you can do comment down on this video, and don't forget to turn the white thumb blue and subscribe to my channel if you find this video informative. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.